That's not even that big, dude.
Yes.
Danny.
Nick, you suck.
Alright, well today we say hello to the Bay Fellers. Today Lige will be joining us all the way from Seattle. And where are we going, Lige?
Yeah, I forgot what it's called.
Oh my god, Lige, oh my god. We're going to Tulloch. Tully, whatever you like to call it. Right now we are towing the dang John boat.
It ain't causing no trouble.
And Johnny and Nick are also coming, and they're bringing the Pontiac boat. Or whatever the dang thing's called. And yep, so far, it's been a pretty tough day. We ain't cashed nothing yet. Very early, it's about 5:17.
We've been driving for around yonder hour. So bad.
You're so bad, so bad. Until we meet again, folks, be safe, be well.
For it is easy to be mean.
No, be kind. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and Hornets. Here we are at Rallies, whatever you prefer to call it. No, we're just looking for the dang kill switch to start the boat, because Joey forgot it at home. Good going.
Indeed, good going. I'm sorry.
No, we just towed this entire thing for no reason. Amen. Wait, that's the boat?
Yeah.
Well, I thought. Oh, so that was them then. I thought it was like a surfboard or something. Oh, it's like that canoe thing. Right on.
What's with the big box of snacks, dude?
I mean this.
No, that's mine.
I'm very flabbergasted.
Stars. All right, hurry up, Lige.
Dang,
He's waiting.
Where are we at right now, Danny?
We are currently about 5 minutes away. 15 minutes away. Don't get me wrong.
Don't get him wrong. I'm warning you. Don't get him wrong.
So yeah, we forgot the kill switch.
We're gonna figure something out.
We're gonna. If y'all can see here.
It's dang early in the morning.
Oh, are those cliffs?
Yeah.
That's nice.
When I drove here the first time, I didn't expect it to be like a canyon. That's pretty cool.
All right, folks. So actually, we done made it to the Grand Canyon.
That's what I was thinking too. We made it.
We finally made it after about 2 hours of driving.
Only 2. I'm not even kidding. We took the express lane.
The underground tunnel.
The shortcut. But ain't nobody know it was only BFC.
So if you ain't BFC, you ain't know. And now I want to go ahead and take this moment. All hail Lige, founder and protector of the BFC. Now we're gonna have to figure how to. Oh, I think I've been here before. Oh, I know. No, never mind. This doesn't look like someplace. What is that down there?
There's a creek or a river.
Oh, good. How many times have you been here, Joseph?
Quite a few.
Good.
I actually done won a tournament back in October back here.
All right. Until we meet again, fellers. All right, everyone. Johnny.
What's up?
And Nick. Nick, say hi.
What up, BFC?
You're putting here?
We have made it to Lake Tulloch. Wow, what a day.
What a day. Interesting. You can pretty much launch it.
Yeah. It's colder. It's colder than I thought.
But you just have to be willing to beat your boat.
Yes, get
Don't go no more.
Here, carry. Well, it's stuck. Just push.
Dang, man.
Oh yeah.
Oh god. Oh my god, bro.
Oh yeah. I'm already wet.
Lige, you better be getting him on camera.
Yes, Nick.
Right,
the sacrifice is real. Hey, we're off.
And then it snapped.
No, what do I?
Oh, you. Okay, wait, hang on.
Me.
Let's go. How do you feel about that, Dean?
Oh yeah.
Very good.
Very special day.
Very good. Oh, yeah.
Oh, geez. After it starts. Come on, Joey. Oh yeah.
Look,
Here.
it's on the front side.
Bro, I thought it was the back.
Ah! It's always been working.
Wait, what?
It's always been working.
That thing right there.
Because this should be in the, should be facing the front, not the back. That's what I'm saying. Like, what in the world? All right,
No,
Danny.
look, that's what you see. No, like, okay, that makes more sense.
We're good.
Stop, you littered.
That was Nick. I swear.
BFC loaders litter.
That's Lige.
We's on
Welcome
our
to the
way.
BSC, folks.
That's what it is. But I ain't. I swear I ain't.
Film it.
Oh, Danny, stop moving around. Dadgum.
Don't look now.
I ain't. They ain't no. Remember, there ain't nobody up at this hour. Ungodly hour. Danny, stop moving. Dadgum. Dadgum.
Cows?
Uh-huh. That's free range beef for you.
All right, folks. It ain't looking good. We've been here for about 5 hours.
Danny ain't catch nothing. He got snagged up on a tree.
Well, now we're going to the unknowns. How do I look?
You look beautiful as always, sir.
Ain't that something though, huh? Ain't she pretty out here? You get to fishing.
They're lying, bro. There's no way. They're freaking lying, bro. There's no way. Oh my god, bro.
That's my son.
Oh, you guys all got one?
Yeah.
We out of here.
Where are they? Where are they? We have to go, Danny, now.
Hey, film that. Film that. I don't. Nick.
Take a picture for the BFC.
Film and take a picture for the BFC for our video. Let's go.
We gotta go.
Why is we still here?
I know. Where are they though? That's not that big though.
All right, y'all. Joey, Nick, and Lige all caught one already.
We's trash.
So we's on our way now. We's got a long way though, if you know what I mean. No! I fell off.
Filming?
Yeah.
You know what I got, fellas? The first fish of the BFC.
Is it largemouth?
Yeah.
They're all largemouth. All right, we're not leaving until I catch one. On my mama. Dadgum. He said dadgum.
I'm good. So big.
He said I'm not leaving until I catch a fish. I'm ready to leave. Let's go.
No!
Danny. So tell them folks what's going on.
Everyone all caught something except for me.
He's giving me the silent treatment. So bad.
Yeah.
He's so bad. Ain't no.
This is gonna be the one, everyone. All hail Lige. All hail the BFC gods. Please grant me my strength.
Say bye.
Bye.
He's leaving the BFC for temporarily.
Are you sure it's okay if I sit on this side? It's leaning.
Yeah, just have Nick.
He's in
on the other
Steve
side,
prone
the other
position.
Father Steve.
Danny, any last words before you don't catch no fish?
No.
Do you want your tackle box?
I got it.
No, this one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I knew it.
Don't drop it now.
Goodbye.
We're tilting too much.
Leave it.
my God,
Is
is
it actually a fish? Oh my god, Danny, you have a fish.
Yeah, don't lose it.
Whoa, reeling.
Oh my gosh.
Danny, what is he doing? You're on tip, bro.
Putting it on line. Woo! Here comes the devil.
Yeah,
a fish. We going home tonight. I actually got to take a picture of that, though.
Oh my God.
What did I say?
The song, bro. Oh my God, Danny, you so bad.
Look at that. That's 10 pounds right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't believe. I thought you were snagged.
Honestly, I wasn't paying attention.
Here, just hand me the.
Oh my God, I'm kidding. All right, let's go home, boys. All right, let's go home, boys. No, I'm catching another one. Oh, I'm coming here for tournaments all the time.
Here. Let me get the release. You set the hook like a monster. That gum. Why?
Hey. Oh, the drag.
It's so loose, bro. No, that's not bad at all.
Come here.
Dude, that's not.
Baby.
Dude, it's bigger than yours. That gum.
There you go.
Look at that fish.
The jumbo. So I just want to thank the BFC for giving me this opportunity to come out and fish with them. They are truly an amazing group.
Oh yeah.
All hail Lige.
All hail
Lige.
Lige.
This one's for Lige. It's like bass.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ever caught it? Oh, we are. Ding ding ding.
Oh geez, Nick.
He looks like he's in the olden days with those little dinky boats.
I know. Yeah, you look like an old man, Nick. Take a picture for the BFC. Take a picture of him kissing it. Take a picture of him kissing it.
Get the dang release.
What the heck?
The cheek jiggle.
Catch it.
Acrobatics.
It's some acrobatics.
Oh yeah.
Oh, come up next to this pocket right here.
What we got going on here?
Oh my God, Nick.
So bad.
4 in a row.
Well, he's throwing a drop shot. That's why.
Wow, what a...
That gum, Nick.
All right, Nick, turn me over.
Nick, show the camera.
Oh, you got no color.
Look at his eye though. He ain't looking right. Hurry up, Nick. Hurry up. Right away.
So rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel.
Welcome to the BFC.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
5. Like, comment, subscribe, he said. Them dang fellers have arrived. You are. Ah!
Damn, go.
But really, that's crazy.
You seriously just missed the.
You sulfur. Land ho indeed. Dude, the dudes on the kayaks, they got like 18-pound bags. Yeah. That's more than a 4-pound average, man. I don't know how they're doing it.
It's cheating, that's why.
Yeah. So Danny,
Oh yeah.
how was the day today?
That was fairly good, actually. Right on. Wait, where'd I close the trash can?
He went down that one. The bathroom over there. He's so bad. This stuff's so good. So good. It's upside down, but it's so good.
Where are we going for dinner?
I'm down to go in and out.
Oh, is that a pea?
I got a dang fish.
So it's like,
All in total, we caught 9 fish. 2 hours.
man, how about you multiply that by 4?
Was it actually 4?
We've been here since what, 7?
Oh, Bobby, 8 hours, 9 fish.
I didn't get a half or a 10 or 2 10s. I didn't get nothing. Yeah, you so bad.
Bye-bye, Nick. What do you think? So, Lige, what do you think of today?
Very cool.
What was your experience?
Very interesting.
What? Did you not know how to work the rod?
Oh no, I did actually.
No, you
I caught
didn't.
a fish before you. Remember that?
Oh.
He ain't lying about that. He ain't.
Of our Joey too.
Oh, actually. That's amazing.
And what do you got to say about that? You do the outro. Do the dang outro.
You do the dang outro.
Yeah.
No, Joe, you do it. Go.
Be safe. Be well. Be kind. For remember, it is easy to be me. Stay safe, my bay fellers.
Yep. So, ladies, Hornets. Have a good one.
We stopping by In-N-Out soon.
Oh yeah, we stopped. Well, actually, we ain't done filming yet. We take that back for now. But on the dang block level. Lies!
Dude, let him sleep, bro.
I'm sorry. All right, thank you, Lige, for the In-N-Out.
Oh yeah.
Because he has lost the alphabet game, so he actually had to pay for the entire thing.
Oh, yes.
It came out to a total of about 20 bucks. Lige got a dang fry. Oh, and Joseph's stuffing his mouth. Mm-hmm.
In-N-Out associates ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
We know the pain.
And I had a dang animal fry. Thank you, Lige.
Buns down, burgers, no.
Thank you, Nancy.
Buns down, burgers up or something.
Just to let you guys know, Lige is an honorary member of the BFC.
As of today.
I got really foggy. Is this me?
12/19/2020. Remember that date right now.
Yo, bro. Well, you can't go on the 23rd.
I'm not sure.
I was just kidding though. I was just kidding.
I ain't sure. I gotta check.
Alright. It's just one day out of the year.
Is
Just
what?
one day, Joey.
I know.
It's just one day. Okay.
You so bad. You so bad.
Danny, what do you got to say?